Have you ever dreamed of conquering the Ha Giang Loop but unsure where to start? Don't worry, on this video, I will share for you 5 practical tips to help you make the plan easily and make it unforgettable. Hi, my name is Thuy. I traveled to the Ha Giang Loop multiple times, and I know how overwhelming it can be for the first time travel. And welcome you back to my channel, Jasmine Ha Giang.
There's something about this guy I just can't live alone, so tell me, babe, what's it gonna be? You said you don't know what you miss. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over.
Let's deep into these tips to help you create amazing itinerary and avoid the common mistake. Let's go! Planning a trip to Ha Giang Loop for the first time can feel challenging. With so many breathtaking spots, unfamiliar roads, and limited information, it's easy to get lost. That's why I will create this video to simplify everything for you. And let's start with 5 essential tips we will cover today. Tip number 1. Research the route and plan your travel time. The Ha Giang Loop covers about 450 kilometers of stunning but challenging roads. Without a proper plan, you might miss the important place or feel rushed. Here are simple 4-day itineraries to help. Day 1, you will travel from Ha Giang to Yên Minh. The road from Ha Giang to Yên Minh just about 95 kilometers, and you need about 4 hours moving only. But totally for 1 day time, you have about 8 hours, so you will have 4 hours on the motorbike or the car, and the other 4 hours you will looking, rest, but you will stop a lot of time, so we can divide the time easy on the way, so you will not be rushed for the first day. And then for the day 2, you will come from Yên Minh to Mèo Vạc. You will passing to Nho Quế Flower Tower as well, Ma Pi Leng Pass, and totally the road about 100 kilometers. And every day I just make the plan for you about 4 to 5 hours moving, and the other 4 hours will rest on the middle of the road to see the view, to relaxing and enjoy with your drink maybe. Day 3, you come from Mèo Vạc to Zuza. Zuza is a small village of minorities people in the Ha Giang Loop. In Zuza, it's quite peaceful location. That's not like famous attractive location like Ma Pi Leng Pass or Nho Quế Flower Tower or Nho Quế River. So when you come to Zuza, you will feel peaceful, the atmosphere is so clean, and you can see the culture of the local people when you arrive that village. And when you come to the day 4, you will come back to Ha Giang from Zuza with about 100 kilometers. You can use Google Maps or Maps.me for navigation, but always allow extra time to rest and surprise along the way. Tip number 2. Choose the right transportation. If you are looking for motorbike activities, the Ha Giang Loop is best location for you. But if you don't know how to ride a motorbike yourself, you can go with the Easy Rider. Easy Rider means someone can drive you and you stay on the back of the local guy, and you only need to relaxing, enjoy the view with the winding pass to your face. It's really amazing time you will have for the trip. But if you want to get some challenge for yourself, you can try to ride the motorbike yourself. If you are a beginner, let's start with the semi-automatic. And on the tour, you will have a small training with the semi-automatic. I also can leave the link below here for you, and you can see how to start with the semi-automatic easy. But if you are a professional rider, let's choose for the manual bike with the gear, with the clutch, and you can keep control easier with the manual bike. Before starting, always inspect your bike, check the brake, the tire, and the light. Carry basic the repair tools and ensure you fill full tank on the trip, because in the Ha Giang Loop have not too much gas station. So to make sure you're not walking with a motorbike, let's check your fuel every time when you arrive the town. Tip number 3, let's make the reservation for the accommodation in advance before you come to the Ha Giang Loop. During the peak seasons, like the Buckwheat Flower Festival, accommodation fill up quickly. Book your homestay at least about 2 or 3 days in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Here are some great options for you when you come to the Ha Giang Loop. The first night, you also can think about staying in Yên Minh, and you can check in the booking.com, have a lot of options like this. And the second night, you can stay in Dong Văn or Mèo Vạc. And in Dong Văn, you also can looking for man-made homestay. This is located in the Old Quarter. For this location, you can go to the town easy, and you also can see the Old Quarter easy too. And the last night in Juja, you can looking for Just Hill Homestay. This is belong of Jasmine Tour. That's it, like on the top of the hill with panorama view, so you can see all around perfect. And for all of the review, every tourist love that location most. And tip number 4, priority the key destination. You shouldn't try to visit too many places if you're unsure about the time you have. Instead, let's focus on this must-visit destination. Ma Pi Leng Pass is the most breathtaking mountain pass in Vietnam. Standing here, you will feel like you are floating above the world. And the second one, Nho Quế Flag Tower, the northernmost point of Vietnam, where you can feel deep sense of national pride. And the Nho Quế Flag Tower have the big flag. This is like biggest flag in Vietnam. That flag is big, about 54 meters square. That's a symbol of 54 minorities people connection together. So you can see the symbol of Vietnamese in here. And you definitely come to the boat tour in Nho Quế River. After the Ma Pi Leng Pass, head down to the Nho Quế River, take the boat ride through the canyon. We call that the Tu San Canyon. That's one of 3 deepest canyons in Asia. It's like stepping into another world. And tip number 5, pack smart and have a backup plan. Ha Giang Loop weather can change very quickly, so we don't know exactly about the weather, although you can check about the weather forecast, but actually it's not totally right. If you check the weather forecast and maybe it say rain about more than 80%, that's definitely have rain. But if the weather forecast, they said the percentage of rain less than 80%, that will not have rain, so no worries, because the mountain weather is changing so fast. And here is what to pack for the Ha Giang Loop. I also leave the link here for you can follow it easy. If you're coming to the winter time, the temperature in the Ha Giang Loop about 15 degrees go down to about 2 degrees, and the temperature is really cold. It's colder than in the European country a lot because the atmosphere here very humid, so the temperature mixing with the humid make you feel frozen. And then don't forget to bring the raincoat, the warm clothes, and bring a lot of layer, the glove, the warm shoe for you to make sure you not be cold in the Ha Giang Loop. By the way, also can prepare some snacks, some water, and a small first kit add with you. And the last one, power bank you should bring together if your phone battery easy to go down. By following these 5 tips, you already make a well-planned itinerary for the Ha Giang Loop. This journey isn't about destination, it's about incredible people, breathtaking view, and unforgettable experience along the way. Take your time, enjoy the view, and make a memory that lasts a lifetime. If you feel this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the button like here, share the video, and subscribe my channel to see next tip for the Ha Giang Loop and Vietnam. Bye bye!